Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 websites with the best SeatGeek promo codes. So the first website I'm going to show you is the couponfollow.com website. And here you can go to the search box and type SeatGeek, and you'll find all the promo codes here. You can browse and find your promo codes. For example, if you want to get one, you just have to click on show coupon code. And as you can see the coupon code, just copy and paste that code to redeem this one. Now, another website that you might be considered is by going to Grab On website. So go to grabon.in and then use the search box and type SeatGeek. And from here, like the past website that we have just searched, you just have to find all the SeatGeek promo codes here and grab and copy that one. Now, the last website I'm going to show you is by going to Retail Me Not website. So here on retailminute.com, as you can see, you can search for the SeatGeek coupons and promo codes, and you'll find all the promo codes available. Now, for example, if you want to get deal or just show code, just click on show code button, and you will find all the codes right here. Then just have to copy that code and redeem that one. Now, another way, if you can't actually find some promo codes from this website, go to your google.com website, go to the search box, and you can type in SeatGeek promo codes. And once you tap on search, you will find all the available websites where you can get this SeatGeek promo code. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.